Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. In this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. As you can see, company has released their quarterly earnings now. So before going on to the consolidated results, let's have a brief introduction on the company. Dr. Reddy's is a leading Indian-based pharmaceutical company that started its generic business in India in 1986. It is headquartered in Hyderabad. The company serves millions of patients with affordable, high-quality medicines in various therapeutic areas through its businesses in pharmaceutical services, global generics, and proprietary products. So that's a brief introduction on Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Now let's move on to the consolidated results and see what is there for Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. So yeah, this is the consolidated results for Dr. Reddy Laboratories. Just a minute, I will zoom a little. So these are the numbers for Dr. Days. Let's look at the total income. So the numbers are in millions that I will be converting it to crores. So year on year, the total income has increased from 6,755 crores to 7,696 crores. Whereas quarter on quarter also it has increased from 7,133 crores to 7,696 crores. So both year on year as well as quarter on quarter the numbers are increasing. That's a good sign for the company. Year on year it is showing almost 14% of growth. Quarter on quarter it is showing almost 8% of growth. So now let's look at the total expenses for Dr. Reddy's. So yeah, these are the expenses. So year on year it has increased from 5,086 crores to 6,006 crores. Quarter on quarter it has again increased from 5,709 crores to 6,006 crores. So that is the expense part for the Dr. Reddy's. Now let's look at the net profits after tax. So year on year it has increased from, no, it is actually slightly decreased from 4,405 crores to 1,392 crores, accounting to a fall of 1% in year on year numbers. Coming to the quarter on quarter, so it has increased from 1,309 crores to 1,392 crores, accounting to almost 7% of growth. This company has shown year on year not that good numbers, but quarter on quarter it has shown a good numbers. Not good numbers, but yeah, quite okay-ish numbers. This is like diverse from other company results. Usually companies are publishing good results year on year, but quarter on quarter numbers are not looking good. But for this company here, like quarter on quarter numbers are looking muted, but year on year numbers are not good. So that's the story for Dr. Reddy's. Now let's look at the EPS. Yeah. So year on year it has decreased slightly from 84.55 to 83.61 rupees, whereas quarter on quarter it is increased from 78.66 to 83.61 rupees. So that's the numbers for Dr. D's. Let's see if we get the segmental revenue. Yeah, we have it. So looking at the segmental revenue, it is operating in the pharma business, then generic, the other business. So looking at the year on year numbers in terms of revenue from the pharmaceutical services and active ingredients, that is API. So year on year it is increased from 936 crores to 1047 crores. Year on year it is showing good growth. Quarter on quarter it slightly decreased from 1172 crores to 1047 crores. So that's the the pharma business and the API business for Dr. Reddy's. Looking at the global generic business, so year on year it is increased from 6013 crores to 6892 crores. Quarter on quarter it is again increased from 6128 crores to 6892 crores. It is showing a good number in terms of year on year as well as quarter on quarter. So generic business is doing good for Dr. D's, but this is something the other, I'm not sure what they do in the other business. Here they are not giving good numbers. Looking at these numbers, year on year it is showing 593 to 2112, drastic decrease, whereas quarter on quarter, looking at these numbers, it's even more drastic decrease, that is 143 crores to 21 crores. Year on year it is 59 crores to 29 crores. So I'm not sure what they added in the other business, but yeah, this is what the numbers are showing for that. So yeah, the main business, that is generic as well as the pharmaceutical business, that's doing well for the company. But yeah, there's something that the other that's not doing good for the company. So that's the the quarterly results for Dr. Reddy's. To summarize the whole quarterly results, in terms of revenue, year on year it is showing 14% of growth, whereas quarter on quarter it is showing almost 8% of growth. Coming to the net profits, year on year it is showing only like minus 1% of growth, I mean that is degrowth, whereas quarter on quarter it is showing almost 7% of growth. So that's the results for Dr. Reddy's. Overall, I see company has published muted numbers for year on year, but quarter on quarter it's shown a good growth. So let's see how market reacts to this set of numbers once the market opens on Monday. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please do share your feedback on the results in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in Dr. Reddy's, so that they will be aware on the quarterly results for Dr. Reddy's laboratories. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, also press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future updates. So with that, I will come to end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.